Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, where we decode the corporate jungle one filing at a time. Today we're looking at Trio Tech International, and let me tell you, their latest report is packed with some interesting tidbits, especially when it comes to their financial performance. Before we dive in, if you find value in breaking down these complex financial documents into easy to understand insights, make sure you subscribe. And hey, we've got a fantastic community over on Discord packed with people just like you, eager to learn and discuss all things corporate finance. The link is in the description below, so come join us. Trio Tech International, a company we've kept an eye on, has just dropped their report for the period ending the 30th of June, 2025. This is essentially a snapshot of how they're redoing financially, and it is crucial for understanding their operational health and future prospects. Now, the main event here is the announcement of their financial results. Companies like Trio Tech are required to report these figures regularly, and this particular filing gives us a look at their performance through the second quarter of 2025. It is like getting a progress report for the company, and we want to see where they stand. For those perhaps new to Trio Tech, their stock is traded on the nice American under the ticker symbol TRT. This means their common stock, which you can buy and sell, is listed on a major exchange, making it accessible to many investors. It is important to note how this information is being presented. The filing states this information is being furnished, not formally filed in the way that would subject them to certain liabilities under specific sections of the law. This is a common distinction in these types of reports, and it means we should treat this as a primary disclosure from the company itself. The core of this report is tied to a press release they issued on the 19th of September 2025. This press release contains the details of their financial results for the fiscal quarter ending the 30th of June 2025. So we essentially looking at the official announcement of their performance during that most recent quarter. While this filing doesn't include detailed financial tables within this specific document itself, it directly refers to a press release that does. In the world of corporate reporting, this press release acts as the primary source for the actual numbers. Since we are limited to the provided text, we know the announcement happened and it covered their financial results. Typically, these press releases are where you define the real meat of the financial performance revenue figures, profit margins, earnings per S-hair, and comparisons to previous periods. Without those direct numbers here, we can still understand the purpose of this filing, which is to officially provide access to those critical financial results through the attached press release. It is like getting the table of contents and knowing the full book is available as an exhibit. The fact that they're reissuing a report specifically about their financial results means this is the main point the company wants to communicate to investors and the public. It signals what they believe are the most important developments in their business at this time. And overseeing these financial disclosures, signing off on behalf of Trio Tech International, is Srinivasan Anitha, their Chief Financial Officer. This signature is a formal confirmation that the company stands by the information being presented. This exhibit, labeled 99.1, is the actual press release containing the financial results. Think of the main filing as the cover letter and the exhibit as the detailed report itself. This is where the investors and analysts would pore over the numbers to understand the company's health. Now, let's peel back the layers and think about what this filing means. By releasing their financial results, Trio Tech is communicating their recent economic performance. These results can tell us if the company is growing, if it's making more money, or if it's facing challenges. Investors will be looking at these numbers to decide if they want to buy, sell, or hold shares of TRT. For instance, if their revenue increased significantly, it might suggest strong demand for their products or services. Conversely, a drop in profits could indicate rising costs or increased competition. The timing is also important. Reporting quarterly results allows the market to continuously assess a company's trajectory. It provides transparency and helps maintain investor confidence. Even though we don't have the specific figures here, the act of reporting them is itself an indicator of their adherence to regulatory standards and their strategy for investor communication. Looking ahead, the details within that press release will influence how the market perceives Trio Tech. Positive results could lead to a higher stock price, while negative ones might cause it to fall. This is why these filings are so closely watched. They are the verifiable updates that shape investment decisions and company valuations. To sum up, this filing from Trio Tech International is primarily about sharing their most recent financial performance data. While the detailed numbers are in their reference press release, the filing itself confirms the date of the announcement and who is responsible for it. It is a clear signal of their financial reporting activities for the period ending the 30th of June 2025. Now, let's talk about what I think. Based on the structure of this filing, it is clear that Trio Tech is focused on transparency regarding their financial health. The fact that they re-highlighting the financial results for the quarter is a positive sign. It suggests they are confident enough in their performance to share it with the public. However, without the actual numbers from the press release, it is difficult to offer a deep financial analysis. If their earnings were strong, it would indicate good management and market positioning. If they were weak, it would point to potential issues that need addressing, perhaps in their cost management or sales strategies. The main risk for any company in this situation is market reaction to the disclosed numbers. If the results don't meet expectations, it can lead to volatility in their stock price. An opportunity for Trio Tech, on the other hand, lies in demonstrating consistent growth and profitability, which would undoubtedly attract more investors and potentially boost their valuation. Overall, my conclusion for this specific filing is that it serves as a formal notification of financial results. The true story, the one with the triumphs or challenges, is contained within Exhibit 99.1. The press release for a complete picture, you'd need to look at those numbers. Alright, that is our quick decode of Trio Tech International. Slater's filing, what are your thoughts on what this signals for the company? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the world of corporate finance. And don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for ongoing discussions and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.